Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my channel, Subhasri ma'am. I hope all of you are fine. Children, today I want to discuss with you regarding the mistakes you do when you do the sums. Maybe in exam or in classwork. What happened, because of these small mistakes, your marks or score goes down. So you have to avoid these mistakes and improve your score instantly. Right? So let's see. What I have noticed, I would like to share with you, that is incorrect cancelling of terms in fraction. It is given 5x plus 35 by 5. Simply 5 cancel and you write the answer, that is x plus 35. Is it correct? No, children, this is wrong. You can't do this way. Now let's see how you will do it. Two methods I will show you. You understand properly. Definitely your concept will be clear. First one, you can take 5 as common. 5 into x plus 7, because 5 7 is 35, that's why, and denominator 5. Now children, you can cut these two 5. Okay, so your answer is x plus 7, not x plus 35. Okay, now second method. We will separate these two in this one in two parts. One is 5x by 5 plus 35 by 5. If plus minus anything is there in middle, we can separate this way. Okay. Now 5x by 5, we can cut these two 5 simply. And now next 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 35. Right? Very easily you can do it. So your correct answer is, again it will come x plus 7. I think now your concept is clear. You will not repeat this mistake again. Okay. Now next, what I have noticed, that confusing the base of a power minus 3 square equals to 9. It is right? No, children, this is not correct. I am telling you what is the meaning of minus 3 square. Minus 3 square equals to minus 1 into 3 square, means positive 3. So 3 3s are 9 and minus sign is there, so minus 9, not plus 9. But if we write minus 3 whole square, means the square is on both the minus sign and 3. So we can write minus 3 into minus 3. So minus minus plus 3 3s are 9. So don't be confused. So your concept should be clear. What is minus 3 square and what is minus 3 whole square. If you like it, please press the like button now and share with your friends. Now next, what I have noticed in your paper, that is distributing a negative terms. Yeah, this one. All of you know the distributive law so nicely, but I don't know, children, why you do mistake. How can I give you marks? Tell me. This is comes when you do simplification. This type of part come now. 6 minus 2 into x minus 4. So 6 minus 2x minus 8. 2x minus 2. No, wrong, children. This way you will not do. Another problem. 6 minus 2 into x minus 4. Few children, they do 6 minus 2, 4. And into x minus 4. And 4x minus 4 4s are 16. Oh, this is also wrong. You can't subtract this 6 minus 2 and can't write 4. Children, now see what you will do. Okay? See properly, you will definitely understand, and in future you will never do this mistake. So 6 minus 2x and minus plus 2 fours are 8. Okay, because you are multiplying minus 2 with minus 4. So answer is minus 2x plus 6 plus 8, 14. Clear? I hope now it is clear to you. You will not repeat now. Now next one. Operation with fractions. The easiest one. But I don't know children why you do mistake. Say it is given 2 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3. The 2 ones are 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Okay. So now you will do addition. Simple addition, fraction. Okay. All of you know the denominator is 5 and 3 prime numbers. So LCM is 15 and 2 plus 1, 3 by 15. Is it correct? It is wrong, children, totally wrong. I am telling you what you will do so that you will never do mistake in future. Okay, at least don't do this easy one wrong. Correct? So first you write 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 and you know the LCM is 15. So you write 15. Next step that is important, this 15 you divide by the denominator 5. 5 3s are 15. Multiply this 3 with the numerator 2. Again you divide this LCM 15 by divide by 3. So 3 5s are 15. So multiply this 5 with 1. So you will write 3 2s are 6 plus 5 1s are 5. So 6 plus 5 children, not 2 plus 1. So 6 plus 5 equals to, that is 11 by 15 is your answer. I hope now your concept is clear and you will not repeat these types of mistake again. If you like this video, please press the like button and share with your friend. Today is this much and bye bye.